This is a Lubeworks 35 liters oil control valve. It has a 1/2-inch oil inlet hose connector. It features a digital meter for easy measurement reading. It displays current volume, 4-unit measurement, battery indicator, total volume, move and reset button. To change the measurement unit, simply press move and reset button together for more than 3 seconds. Select the unit by pressing the reset button. The unit will flash during selection. Press move button for more than 3 seconds to confirm. To reset the resettable total, press the reset button for more than 3 seconds to reset the present total. To change the correction factor, first reset the resettable total. Press the move key until the first digit of the factor value is flashing. Press the reset key to choose digits. Press move key for the next digit. After finish, press and hold the move key until quitting the calibration mode. To change the battery, simply remove the protective rubber cover and remove the screw from the lid. For detailed information, please refer to the product's instructions.